Sunil here from R Clean. So we are degreasing a car park ramp. As you can see, we've already sprayed the formula on and it's starting to already do its magic, and then we'll simply be using hot water pressure cleaning to come through here, and we'll have this done in no time. So as you can see here, we're going through with the pressure cleaner, with the surface cleaner. It's just absolutely peeling off. That's beautiful. Of course, the chemical's done a lot of work, but this is hot water as well at pressure, which is absolutely perfect for grease. Okay everyone, so this is the ramp degrease. As you can see, it's come up really well. I've had cars driving in here now, so which we can't stop, but fundamentally the point was just to get rid of the grease and oil, and that's come up really well for the existing concrete that it is. It's quite old, but so if you need a quote to help achieve this, then give us a call. We'll be happy to help.